So, good evening and welcome to the show Ask Me Now. Yes, Mayur. How can I help you?
How could I learn? How could I answer from learning Vedic
What do you
mathematics?
do? What do you do, Mayur?
Actually, sir, by profession, I'm a teacher too.
Teacher 2 means
Just a second. Yes, sir.
teacher 2 means I'm not able to understand.
Uh, I run my own school, sir. In
Which
the
place?
lockdown, I started, but this is my first session that I'm having.
Which place you run a school? Is it a school or a preschool?
It is a school
Okay, which place?
in my home city.
Sir, I don't know about your home city. That's why I'm asking you.
That's why, sir, I mentioned in the query. That is why I told you. No, actually, it is in the state of Jharkhand, sir.
Okay,
Uh, a district
great.
grade.
Okay, no issues. Now,
Okay,
let
sir.
me tell you one thing. Do you know national education policy?
No, not completely, but little bit I know about it.
Okay, as per National Education Policy 2020, Vedic mathematics has been added into our course curriculum. That
Right.
means this is mandatory. Now, what happened? It is the policy has not been implemented yet properly because of Corona time. Right now, it's being implemented in a phase-wise manner. So, if you have seen my profile, I am already training all the government school teachers of Haryana. It's more than 10,000 teachers I am training because that is the first phase. We are training the teachers, right? Second
Right, sir.
phase would come when proper learning would start. Apart from that, I'm also taking classes of SSRVM, that is Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir. So you might be knowing Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji.
Yes, sir. I know that.
So we have a 88, they have 88 schools in India, and to those 88 schools, I am training, right? So the point is, because this is made compulsory, we have to go for it, right? And that is very important, correct? Now, why is it important? Because of its advantages. Do you know how useful Vedic maths is?
Yes, sir. Little bit.
Little bit.
As it is started by our freedom fighters. You may say about it. The name is uh, Swami Vivekananda.
No, I think you have some wrong information then.
Okay, sir. That's why I told you.
This is
So
not this is not started by Vivekananda. He's Bharti Krishna Tiraji, and he was a Shankaracharya at
Shankaracharya.
Jagannath Puri. Right,
Yes, sir.
Jagannath Puri, that is in Orissa. So,
Okay.
so he was the person who started with this, and today what we are aware of, right? So that is not Vivekananda, that's uh, Swami Bharti Krishna Tiraji Maharaj, right? Now,
So
why do we need a subject? You might have seen now, since you are already running a school, you might have seen kids have a fear of mathematics, correct?
mm, correct, sir.
Why do they have? You are paying the highest salary to your maths teachers.
Definitely.
Out of that, 90% are again going for evening tuitions of mathematics.
Definitely.
Out of that, again, 25 to 30% are failing in mathematics. Is math such a tough subject?
Oh, I don't think so. But
Yes,
it is for the students, we
it
may
is
say.
not. Maybe we have made it tough just to run our businesses. Very
In my
important
point of
thing.
view, one more thing I would like to add, sir. In my point of view, just as we exercise for our healthy body or physical fitness, uh, the mentally preparation or mentally exercise is we do by our mathematics.
Right. But are we doing in a correct manner? See
It
why?
is most important thing.
Now, what happens if you have to start with yoga? So for initial days, you need a yoga trainer. You cannot
Hmm?
start on your own. If you
By
want to go for a meditation, you cannot start on your own. Similarly, for Vedic mathematics, also you need something to guide our. Otherwise, I'll give you a very small example. Give me a few minutes. International Primary School. What's your name, sir? You're from Kathmandu, Rotapul.
Yes, sir. I'm from Kathmandu.
Yes, sir. What's your name, sir?
Anirudra Aryal.
Yes, Anuradha Arya. Welcome to the show. Ask me now, and how can I help you, sir?
I want to know about your Vedic mathematics, sir.
Okay. So you are also running a school in
Yes,
Kathmandu.
I'm
Great.
running the school.
Okay. I'll guide both of you. Yes, Make Raj. Make Raj, I think you already.
Yes, sir. Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I'm from Sangja, Nepal. So I'm also running just a second level school. Principal. I'm the principal. So still that is a problem for my students. As you earlier told that my students, though they are having the extra classes, even though they are in a fear of mathematics, even they have the, when the exams are conducted, so they got hardly, some of the students got only single digit number. So it's a very problematic for my students as well.
See,
So
yes, maths is considered tough, or maths is a fear factor for almost all of the students. And I'll give you the reasons behind it. Okay,
sir,
a very simple exercise for all of you. How do we write on paper? Which
sir,
direction? Left to right or right to left?
obviously from left to right.
Left to right. Correct? Yes, Mayur. Is it
yes, sir,
right?
right, sir. Yes, we can.
Okay. How do we read a paper or anything, many magazine, paper, a book? Left to right. Correct?
Right, left, right, correct.
Now you are sitting at your home places, just see in front of you, there might be a cupboard, there might be something placed. The first instant, you'll see the things placed on left hand side and then towards the right hand side. It's a fraction of seconds. But still, this will happen. You can check with it. That means everything we do from left to right. Correct?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now the question arises, why do we do mathematics in an opposite manner? We always do mathematics from right to left. Why is it so?
This is the first time ever that I noticed it by your question, sir.
I can prove it within seconds. You will be faster. What is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? It is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. You know, Shakuntala Devi, she calculated 24 digits, 22 digits in the same way within seconds. So that is basically, okay, you notice
Sir,
right?
sir, excuse me. Still, I'm confused that just you told that from mathematics is will be done from the right to left. But how is it's not because I'm not a little bit.
Okay, I'll give you an example. If something is written, how do we read? This is
Okay.
something written. We go from left
Okay.
to right.
Left, right, sir.
If I have to write, then also left to right.
Yeah.
Now, if I have to solve this, we
Yeah, of
always
course.
go.
Got it, sir. Got it. From right to left. Yes. Yes,
Okay.
yes, got it, sir.
Chalo, I'll give you one. For all of you, I'll share you one example today. Very important example. Though
Yes,
I
sir.
generally don't share over here. Okay. Now everyone know 11 is a magical number. When you multiply this 11 with any single digit number, it is the answer is the same single digit number written twice.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
But have you ever observed the same magic in double digit numbers, or how do we calculate? If the question is 12 into 11, how will you calculate?
Again, from just we'll have to do from the right to left.
So you'll do it this way.
Yeah.
Correct?
Right, sir.
I'll give you a very simple method today. Whenever there is 11, one multiplier is 11.
Mathematics.
Whatever is the number, first digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the numbers.
Yes, sir.
Let's say 62, 6,
Okay.
8, 2, finish. So 62 into 11 is 682. Not even a single second you will take. 33
Okay.
into 11, 3,
So
6, 3.
so how do you come to know that is 6 and in the in between?
Both the digits we added.
Okay. So got it. Sir, got it. Sir, got it. Sir. Very simple idea.
Similarly, if you'll go for this 1, 2, 3.
Right, sir.
Rupesh, do you have any question? 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3. Finish. So 123 into 11 is also 1353 within seconds. If I ask you what is 1353 into 11, this is 1,
Right, sir.
8, 8, 3.
Yeah.
If
Correct,
you
sir. Correct. Very simple idea.
very simple idea, na?
Yes, sir.
But if it is carryover, now
Yes, sir.
36 into 11,
Okay.
it is
So
3,
3
9, 6.
396.
But what happens to 37? So it is 3. To separate these positions, I'll put a balancing line. This line is known as balancing line. This is called as balancing line. I've just introduced this line in between the two digits. Now, do you know how this works? This is just your place value system. How many digits at unit place? 1. How many digits at tens place? Again, you have to have 1. Here, there are 2. Is it possible? No. So you just move the extra. So answer becomes 407.
Oh, right. Got it.
Mayur, did you get it?
Yes,
Got it,
sir.
sir.
Actually, I know about it.
Okay, you know about it.
Yes, sir. That's why I
You
didn't
know
say
about
anything.
it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Correct?
Right.
Now, please try to do from this side and
Yes.
just see yourself. Which is fast?
Sir, actually, left to right is a faster way.
So why don't we practice left to right then? Why we are running from right to left only mathematics?
Just because of sir, we have started learning from right to left.
So
That
see,
is the main reason.
yes.
From our
So that
childhood.
means all our years we have been spending and we have been learning.
No, not 12.
2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
5,
5, 7.
7.
Yeah. No, then
9.
again 9. So this is very
That means
easy.
all these years we have been doing something wrong, or we didn't practice. See, in actual, both the ways are correct. But you'll observe when you'll do left to right, your brain works in the same manner because everything in your life, every movement in your life, you do the things from left to right. And that's the biggest thing. Okay, leave. You said we don't have idea, and agreed. Just think of that Gurukul time. At that time, do they had pen, pencil, erasers, or some equipments? No.
No.
How they were doing it? Everything was mental. Leave everything. I'll give you another example. How many phone numbers you remember now?
Sir, about 100.
You still remember?
Yes, sir.
And
I,
how many numbers you remembered when you were not having a mobile phone? At that time, when you were having just a landline phone.
on that time, on that case, I remember little bit on nothing at all.
You're the first person you're saying me the reverse way. Because at that time we were not dependent, so we were trying to remembering every
Actually,
phone
sir,
number.
it is. I was very miss. I was in my childhood position.
Okay,
That's why I did.
so I don't know
That's
your
why I
age.
told you the
Okay,
answer.
then you are correct. See, like if I talk about myself or any person about who is same, who has experienced both the things. Now, what is happening nowadays? We have programmed our brain that everything is stored in our mobiles, so we don't remember it. We don't try to recall it. Right? That is, yes, Mekraj, is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because we don't have to now, we don't remember. So when we don't remember, we forgot. And earlier, when we were having dial-up phones, at that time we used to remember because there was no option of saving it. So now that means we have programmed our brains like that. So a time will come, if we'll not do these calculations mentally, one day will come for that for even calculating 2 plus 2, will make use of calculator. And that is the biggest problem. This international school. Sorry, what's your name, sir? This international primary school. Sir, aapka naam and Mekraj. Now you people in Nepal particularly, you are allowing calculators in your exams, correct? In class 8th and 9th, you are allowing calculators. So when the students
Yes,
know
sir.
that they can do it with the help of calculators, why will they ever learn?
Yes, sir.
Why will they make that effort to learn? Got my point? See, I was invited in your Tribhuvan University a month back. And the same thing, a master's level student, they were not having, they were not remembering the tables of more than 12.
Right,
Do you
sir.
think it is justified?
Right, sir.
That is the biggest problem. It's not table of 12 or 15. The matter is the confidence you don't have. You think maths is tough. You have a fear factor of that mathematics. So what is Vedic mathematics? It's a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics. So it gives you that feeling, yes, that attaining that feeling, yes, I can. So the moment a student has that feeling, yes, I can, nothing is impossible. So it's not only learning about mathematics, it's learning life. It is more than mathematics. Maths is our day-to-day life, but it's more than that. Patel Pratiksha, yes, you are from? Sunil RL, please, you can introduce yourself, and if you have any queries, you can ask. Patel Pratiksha, do you have any questions? I think you are from India. Okay. So yes, Mekraj, you can continue.
Okay, sir, please.
Yeah, tell me. So now you understood. See, the
Yes,
things
sir.
are, we are not doing maths in the way we should have been doing. So our methodology is wrong. That is the
Yes.
biggest problem. And Vedic maths gives you a simple option of doing mathematics. That is
Right,
what.
sir.
Correct. It gives you the ability to think, because for doing a single question, you have so many ways.
Sir.
Got my point? See, if today you have to go from one place to another and you don't have option, you have only option to go by foot. So it might take more time. But if you have
Right.
option to go by bicycle, by bike, or by car, or even by plane, you'll have more
Right,
time,
sir.
more ways. Same
Right,
is
sir.
Vedic mathematics. You talk about any topic, there are several ways to do the same thing.
Right,
So
sir.
what makes you, that gives you that confidence. Yes, things can be done in a different manner. So students get confident, and then everything is easy.
Right, sir.
Right, Mr. Rupesh Thapa?
Yeah,
Yes, you are from Nepal, correct?
yeah, I'm from Nepal. Yes,
Yes. So what do you do?
I'm a principal of Sakti Forever School,
Which place, sir?
Kalika Municipality, Chittagong.
Okay. So do you have any questions? Any doubts?
No, sir, I'm listening you.
Okay, thank you.
One more thing I would like to ask, sir.
Yes, please.
So can we solve geometry, trigonometry, and algebras through Vedic mathematics?
Yes. See, now with Vedic mathematics, you can solve all these things. The very first thing, you need to have a thorough understanding of arithmetic operations. So that would cover addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now, when you're doing multiplication, addition and subtraction done, once you're doing multiplication of arithmetics, at the same moment, you can start with algebra multiplication. So you'll see your 4 steps of that algebra part, it gets reduced to single step.
Actually, I ask you because of a little bit know about multiplication of Vedic mathematics.
Okay, which method you know?
Which method, sir? I can explain about the methods, but I can solve the
You
sums.
don't know the names. Urdhva
Yes, sir.
Sutra or Nikhilam Sutra?
No, sir, I don't know about the names.
Okay,
It
cross
is the very
multiplication.
first time that I'm hearing from you.
See, if it is Vedic mathematics, then these are the 2 sutras. Correct. If
Correct, sir.
right. Now, if you talk about, one is known as base method. Now, base method, I'll give you example. 99, if it is to be multiplied by 99, you get -1, -1, that is a, and adding this 9801. Now, this is known as, this is basically Nikhilam method.
Sir, I know about the finding square roots. Roundabout not approx 100. The
Right.
digits which are nearby 100.
I got it. I got your point. See,
Yes, sir.
now having half knowledge would again give you a problem. See, you have learnt on your own. Right. Now,
Right, sir.
what happens is, there is a difference between Eklavya and Arjun. Got the point? So that is the difference. Second thing, if you have to guide someone, from where you will start?
It is the matter. That's why I'm taking the classes of yours.
Got my point? No, this is not
Yes,
a
sir.
class, please.
Please,
This
whatever
is,
the thing is.
I'll tell you. See, I believe that before starting a class, your doubts, your queries and questions should be thorough. If your doubts are clear, then only you'll be able to move towards one journey. Right. So every Tuesday and Thursday, we keep a FAQ session, frequently asked questions about Vedic mathematics. So this is known as Ask Me Now show. Saturday and Sunday, we keep a workshop of 3 hours. And then there are batches, teacher training batches also, and children batch. Now, if you are talking about this one, Urdhva Sutra, if you know, 99 if has to be multiplied, there are 3 steps. First, left multiplication, 81. Second, left and addition, 162 and 81. So this becomes 170 means 0, 98. Now, if you are thorough with this, then you can do easily algebra multiplication also. Similarly,
What is the name of the method, sir?
this one,
Yes, sir.
Urdhva Sutra, Urdhva Tribhang Sutra. That
Urdhva
means,
Sutra.
short name Urdhva, otherwise Urdhva Tribhang Sutra.
Okay.
So we have, अरे भाई Yes, Patel. Pratiksha, do you have any questions? Satish, please switch off the TV or mute it. Yes, Anirudra, any further question?
So it is distant. So Wesley sir on mute.
People don't understand. I don't know. Yes, Binaya Vidya. So no questions left?
Okay, sir, please go on. And so, sir, another question for me, sir. For the especially, so this is for the only principal for the teachers, or only even the training is there for the students as well?
See, ultimately, you have to train the students only.
Right, sir.
Correct. So
Right, sir.
when I visit Nepal, I take sessions in schools only, schools, colleges, and universities. Right. So that is meant for students also. That is meant for teacher training also. Correct. So here students are also invited. See, whosoever is inquiring, we just share them with the invitation, and similarly on the Facebook. So sometimes there are students also. Last time it was on Tuesday, there was a student from Japa. I don't know
Right,
today
sir.
we have any student because they are some of them have not introduced themselves. But yes, it is must for principals because they have to take the system. They can only take the decision. They are the decisive factor in any school, and they better know
Right,
that is it required for their school or not.
right, sir.
Right. So I'll be there.
In this session, sir,
Yes.
in this session, what the things are you going to say or make understand to us?
This is not in this session. I don't teach anything. This is basically solving your queries.
Okay.
It's not. That was what I was explaining you. This is just FAQ session. If you want to learn something, that is a separate workshops.
Okay, right, sir. Right, sir. Right,
Right.
sir.
It's not because here the concepts have that has to be done in a different manner, different mood. When everybody who is there, they are just to understand. Here, it is just a beginner section, or you can say a FAQ session.
Okay, so when we'll have the classes?
Classes are paid. You can take the rest. You can fill. I have shared you the details.
Okay, so share me the details
Batch
in
is
my WhatsApp.
starting very soon. Maybe within this week, one batch is starting. That is a 12 weeks batch, teacher training batch. I take only 6 teachers in one batch. So that is starting. Then every Saturday and Sunday, generally we have a workshop.
Okay, sir. Then share me the details.
I've shared
so
you
that I
already,
can.
sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So
Okay,
can I
bye-bye.
left?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, dreamer. Sherpa is trying to connect. Sunil, do you have any questions?
So I have one question for this, for the trainer, to take the training. So how much time will I have to take?
It's
So
approximately
duration
it is approximately 70 hours. So online
70
classes
hours.
we conduct 3 classes in 1 week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Right,
Now,
sir.
now there are different batches. Now one batch would be
Right.
starting in the coming week, 9 to 11 p.m. Like
Okay.
this time. So that would be going for at least 12 weeks.
Right, sir.
Right.
Right, sir.
And I think you might have had a word with Mr. Umesh, so he can give you all the details,
Okay.
whatever is
Just I will have a talk with him.
right. He'll share you all the details. Otherwise, you can connect on my WhatsApp anytime. I'll be sharing you all the details again.
Right, sir.
Sachin, do you
So
have
can
any?
you get the videos shared by you or something? It is
See, in the class, I will teach live. Just
right,
by
sir.
videos, you cannot learn anything. If by videos
Okay,
we can learn, then everything is available on YouTube.
right,
Right. Maths will come with practice only. Maths cannot be learned by just watching like a movie.
right,
So
right,
for
right,
maths, you need to practice. And every session we take 100 to 200 questions. So
right.
that will give you practice. Correct.
Okay, sir.
And so that we have a batch on Saturday and Sunday. Maybe this Saturday I won't be able to take it, but otherwise it is there.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye. Yes, Mr. Sherpa, Sachin, Sunil, anything? Mr. Umesh, you can ask them. They're shy enough to ask anything.
अनि यहाँको मान्छेहरू यस्तो हुन्छ के बोल्छ बोल्छ लास्टमा त फगाले भन्यो भने आफूले बोलेको हुन्छ नि नराम्रो जति
Can you speak in English or Hindi? Sherpa.
साथीभाइ हो पर्छ स्टाफ
Sachin, do you have any questions left? Or we can then finish off this session? Yes, Umesh.
No, sir.
Sorry, sir, it was by mistake.
Okay, Ji.
Enjoying.
It's not for enjoying, it's a learning time. So do you have any question?
No, sir, it was by mistake, sir. It was by mistake. The mic was open.
Okay.
I'm very sorry, sir.
No issue, sir. Okay.
छिरिङ सर नमस्कार।
Namaste, sir.
सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ? हाम्रो
हजुर।
छिरिङ सर चाहिँ हाम्रो शुभकामना स्कुलमा प्रिन्सिपल हुनुहुन्छ धनगढीमा। हि इज अ प्रिन्सिपल इन शुभकामना स्कुल धनगढी सर।
Okay, great.
He is from Darjeeling.
Acha.
Yeah. Okay, I was enjoying your session, but by mistake, the mic was.
It's okay, sir. It's okay.
I'm really sorry for disturbing you, sir.
No, it's okay, sir. I was just asking if you have any queries.
No, sir. No, sir. We are just going through what you are letting us to know.
I had been to Dhangadi earlier, so we had one seminar in Dhangadi, Ataria, not Dhangadi exactly. Ataria.
I think that by that time, I think I was not here, sir.
Okay.
If I was here, I would definitely have met you, sir.
Next time we'll do it because tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll be in Kathmandu.
Definitely, Kathmandu. Now, if you by chance come to Dhangadi, we will be very happy to meet you, sir.
We'll make it, sir. Next time we'll make it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. The things what you are showing and what you are teaching us is more than the good.
Sir,
It's
India
a great learning.
Sir, India में इसीलिए तो compulsory हो गया अभी।
नहीं, yes, India में भी अभी compulsory हो गया Vedic mathematics, And what you are teaching here is more than what we were expecting. बहुत बढ़िया है सर.
Thank you, जी.
बहुत बढ़िया है सर.
Mhm.
Money, the techniques that we have to adopt.
The very first thing is, what is the target of a school? School का target क्या है? हर बच्चा
हाँ जी.
confident हो, हर
हाँ
बच्चा
जी सर.
आगे कुछ बनने के लायक बन सके.
हाँ जी सर.
रट्टू तोता नहीं बनाना, हमें सबसे पहले उसके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस लाना है कि yes, I can do it, I can live a life, I can be independent.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
प्रॉब्लम
Yes, I can का ये होना चाहिए.
तो प्रॉब्लम अभी यही है कि बच्चा इतना डम्बो हो जाता है कि वो कहता है कि मैं तो, so that is the biggest problem. And this subject, it has got magical, you can say, results, because जो
Definitely
capability
sir,
है,
definitely.
ultimately, see, भगवान ने हमें एक माइंड दिया है, एक दिमाग दिया है, जिससे आप कुछ भी
हाँ
कर
जी, हाँ
सकते
जी.
हैं. And
हाँ
that
जी.
is, and power of that mind is, one cannot imagine. So once you get that feeling, yes, I can, then everything is possible. Vedic
Yes.
math gives such
Sure, definitely sir, definitely sir.
right. So when you have,
Definitely sir.
yes, when you understand how to solve the problems, problem is not only
Definitely.
mathematics, it is a life problems also,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
right?
Like we are very happy that you are here.
Thank you, sir.
Chiring
We
sir,
are
can we plan a
very happy
seminar?
that you are here and you are helping us.
Chiring sir, can you plan a seminar at your school?
Definitely, sir. I'll let you know after a week.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Right, sir? Shalom.
Definitely, I'll let you know after a week,
you.
because this time we have little bit we have a packed schedule because of the winter season, like annual function, annual sports, these things and that thing. And within a week, I'll plan and I'll check out the time and I'll let you know, sir.
Sure.
Definitely, I'll let you know, sir.
Yes,
Thank
Mr.
you, sir.
Rupesh Thapa is connected again. Yes, Mr. Thapa, do you have any queries left now?
No, sir. Please, if you have to go on with your session, definitely,
I was
please
asking
go.
Mr. Rupesh, he joined again. So I was asking him. Rupesh Thapa. Then it's okay. Thank you very much. And good night, everyone. Bye-bye. So we'll wrap up the session. Bye-bye.
Sir, good night.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Good night very much. Thank